into up right 4 minus over crest into left 3 opens pass second right small dips over 100 and right minus 3 minus over small dip mud into small crest 70 small red into up left 2 plus over crest in east 130 crest into right 3 over small dip into left 3 plus keep in opens and narrows 3 plus into right 4 minus long opens over mud and narrows on right 4 minus off hammer into left 4 into right 3 narrows 2 into left 4 minus opens 40 pause left 1 okay then a right 2 minus long over crest 30 right 6 into left 5 short into right 3 minus then narrows 2 narrow exit tightens 2 narrow exit 40 then left 3 minus right 6 plus tightens 6 into left 3 plus kinks 70 and a right 4 plus off camber very long left 4 plus over crest 50 and we've got up to the competition edge we rock now I need to really go slow left 3 tightens 3 minus over crest rocks into a right 3 plus off camber 40 R5 short into left 3 plus into caution R3 plus rough into right 3 plus right 3 plus rough into caution a sharp bump.
Good. Okay, now pause there
because we're not there.
Exactly. And so that's another thing.
Getting too far ahead.
Well, no, that was actually perfect because you want to be nice and far ahead for something that you have to really slow down.
So can't.
Exactly. So as soon as you call something that's going to take a long time to get through, that's really slow, then you can pause.
Into a left 4 plus over crest 60. Right 4 plus over crest into jump 50. Left 4 late into left 4 minus late into.
Here, I want you to look at what a late looks like. Here.
Yeah, we're really hitting the apex late.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Right 4 minus into finish 80. Turn right 3 over stop.
Nice. Very good.
We're worthy.